What if I told you there are AI tools that your professors secretly use themselves, but they would never want you to touch? Tools that can take you from stressed, overwhelmed, and behind on deadlines to confident, prepared, and even a step ahead of your classmates. Today, I'll reveal the AI tools that professors hate because they make assignments way easier. But when used right, they'll help you crush your studies. Before I continue, please like the video. It will aid its circulation, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Tool number 1. Cheesy tools, but worth it. Let's start with the most controversial, AI writing assistants. Tools like Quillbot or Wordtune can rephrase your essays, change tone, or even break down complicated text into something easier to understand. Professors hate them because they make writing assignments so much easier than struggling word by word. But here's the trick. You must use them responsibly. Don't copy-paste blindly. Instead, let the AI help you refine your drafts, improve clarity, and save hours of editing. I knew a student who was consistently scoring B's on essays. After using AI to clean up grammar, sharpen arguments, and simplify structure, she jumped to consistent A's. Not because she cheated, but because she finally presented her ideas clearly. So one important thing, use these tools to upgrade clarity, not to write from scratch. Tool number 2, stealth mode productivity. Imagine you've got 3 assignments, 2 exams, and a group project. Chaos, right? Tools like Motion, Notion AI, or Sunsama can literally plan your day for you. They break big tasks into smaller chunks, keep you focused, and even block distractions while you work. Motion AI calendar auto-schedules your day. Plans tasks realistically, avoids procrastination for you. Another favorite, Otter.ai for lectures. Instead of scrambling with notes, let it transcribe in real time. Professors roll their eyes at these apps because students don't miss a single detail anymore. Think of it like having a personal assistant working 24/7 in the background. Another important thing, stay organized and let AI handle time plus note chaos. Tool number 3, bibliography research hacks. Now this is the part professors really hate, research hacks. Instead of digging through 100 papers, tools like Perplexity AI and ResearchRabbit summarize sources instantly. They even generate proper citations in MLA, APA, or Chicago style. Imagine writing a 10-page paper and not spending 3 hours just formatting your bibliography. But be careful, speed doesn't always equal accuracy. Always double-check sources. AI can guide you, but it shouldn't replace real verification. This tools: Zotero plus ZoteroBib, Reference Manager. Instantly formats citations in any style. Don't waste hours formatting citations, let AI handle it. Okay, let's get real for a second. Using AI the wrong way is a shortcut to disaster. Professors use plagiarism checkers, and some even run your essays through AI detection software. If you just paste AI text without adding your own thinking, you're gambling with your grades and your integrity. So here's the golden rule. Let AI do the heavy lifting, but always put your brain in the driver's seat. Use it to brainstorm, organize, edit, or summarize, not to replace your own ideas. Don't copy-paste from ChatGPT without editing. Avoid submitting AI-written essays without adding your own ideas, and stop ignoring fact-checking from tools like Perplexity. So there you have it. The AI tools professors secretly hate because they make your life easier. Writing assistants, Quillbot, Wordtune, to polish and make essays painless. Productivity AI, Notion AI, Motion, and Otter.ai to boost productivity and keep you organized. Research AI, Perplexity, ResearchRabbit, and Zotero to hack research citations. But remember, tools are only as good as how you use them. Use them wisely. They're not cheating. They're just smarter studying. Here's my challenge for you. This week, try one of these tools on your next assignment and see how much time you save. And tell me in the comments, what's one AI tool you'd be nervous your professor might catch you using?